Alright, welcome back to Small Farm Guys here today. Today we are doing basic, or not basic maintenance, but just some wear parts on the Kubota. We're doing the engine cable. It runs from the throttle cable, it runs up to the linkage, and then this runs the engine. This is what, let's restart. Alright, so your first step into making this easier is there are three 12mm bolts that take this plastic shield out, and then it'll just drop right out of the way. So we just get that out of the way, because that will allow you access back to here and allow you to be able to get to the cotter pin and washer that hold this on, and try to do it from the top side. I tried that at the beginning. It does not work. Just go from the bottom. It'll make your life so much easier. Next step is we're going to remove the two cotter pins and the washers here. The first one is right over here. It's right here. You want to go ahead and pull it out, and that one's the easy one. Then the second one is over right here. It's on the bottom of this pin. So I've already got them both out. So like you can see here, I'll pull the pin out. It's on the bottom of that pin. So you can remember what hole you're in for it, but that's all you gotta do is pull that pin out, and then don't lose the pin, the washers, or the cotter pins, because they're kind of small and you don't want to lose them. Alright, so our next step is we're going to take this pin out that we just took the cotter key and washer out. I'd put it back in the hole. Then we're going to move back over here. I would suggest loosening these up before you go ahead. So I've already done that, so we can just slip them out. And then we're just going to follow the wire up, pull them. This has play in it. This is just your shifter for your Kubota. This is just the range shifter. So we'll just take that one out, slide this off here, and then just slowly walk this thing out. And so this is the cable we're replacing. We got the new one here. And this here, that's the one, if you have to replace this, that's the number. So you can take that into your Kubota dealer or Lano or wherever your Kubota dealer is and order that part number. And this is for 2009. They may be different for other years. So I'll show you right here. Here's the difference. You see how stretched that cable is? So we have been lacking power for years. I mean, these are lined up hole to hole. I mean, we got a inch stretch there, and it's the same distance down on the bottom here. So you're talking, we had over an inch of stretch. So that's why we're going ahead and replacing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slide this under right away. We're just going to slide this up and under, back into where it's got to go. We'll take and loosen this bolt up. Make sure we get it situated in there just fine. Make sure one washer's on each side, which is going to be this looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt. So put that in there. Go ahead, put your pin back in. Take this, loosen this bolt up. Again, this will just pull out of your way because that's just the shifter for the Kubota. Loosen this up. Again, make sure you got the washers separated. Get that slid in there, slide this pin on, then we'll go ahead and we'll snug everything up and make sure it's in the right place. Alright, so I actually ran this wrong. You want to slip this over the top and not underneath it. It'll make your life a lot easier. Everything's a lot looser, so we'll go ahead and then we'll tighten everything back up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's how you put in an engine cable for a Kubota RTV 900. If you like these videos, please like them, subscribe to us so we can keep making more videos as we go here, as we have issues with the Kubota. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, whatever. Again, here is the part number for that if you need to get one. This is for a 2009 model. I do not know if they are all the same, so be sure to double check. Don't just go in there and order this one because they may be different. And with that, have a good day.